Hi friends, today we already started మోడల్ నెంబర్ 3. మోడల్ నెంబర్ 3 ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుందామండి. అయితే ఈ వీడియోలో కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో యూ కెన్ సీ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, 4 క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, నౌ ఐ ఆమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్. ఓకే, ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ నేను చాలా డీటెయిల్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నానండి. మీరు బాగా విని మీరు రాసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? అయితే బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ టు సాల్వ్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఐ వాంట్ టు థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ సపోర్ట్ అండ్ our viewers are increasing day by day and our subscribers are increasing day by day, and I am very happy to see that views and watching time of our YouTube channel is rising. Thank you for your support and subscribe my channel, share your friends, relatives and family members. Okay, now మీకు అందరికీ చాలా కృతజ్ఞతలు అండి. మన ఛానల్లో చాలా గ్రో అవుతుంది ఈ మధ్యకాలంలో. వ్యూవర్స్ అయినా లేకపోతే వాచింగ్ టైం అయినా బాగా పెరుగుతుంది అనమాట. మన వీడియోస్ చూస్తున్నారు అందరూ అండ్ మీరు షేర్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ అప్రిషియేటింగ్ యూ ఫర్ షేరింగ్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, రిలేటివ్స్, ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్. ఓకే, నౌ ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ద క్లాస్. మనం క్లాస్ మొదలు పెట్టుకుందామండి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇంటిగ్రల్ x plus 2 by x plus 1 x plus 3 dx. This is one question. Okay, very good morning to all. Now we are in first question of this model number 3, the second video. This is the second video. This is the first question of this video. What is this? This is the first question of this video. Integral x plus 2 by x plus 1 into x plus 3 dx. This is the one. How to solve this question? As usual procedure, in previous video the board is not clear and it is different to see from this video. ఓకే, మీకు ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో చూసుకుంటే బోర్డు సరిగ్గా లేదండి. నేను కూడా సరిగ్గా కనపడలేదు అనుకుంటా, లేకపోతే నా వాయిస్ క్లియర్గా ఉందో లేదో నాకు తెలీదు. కాబట్టి నౌ దిస్ వీడియో, ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ వీడియో యూ విల్ సీ మీ యాజ్ ఇన్ దిస్ పొజిషన్. ఓకే, అండ్ దిస్ బోర్డ్ ఆర్ క్లియర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ క్లియర్ ఫర్ యూ. I will see, wait. Okay, it is clear. Now I will start the problem to solving the problem. Solution: given that ఏమి ఇచ్చారండి, x plus 2 by x plus 1 x plus 3 ఇలా ఇచ్చారండి dx. ఇలా ఇచ్చిన దాన్ని మనం ఇంటిగ్రల్ లేకోకుండా మనం పార్షల్, ఇది రేషనల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ని, దిస్ ఈజ్ అ రేషనల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. ఈ రేషనల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ని పార్షల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసి మనం ఏ అండ్ బి మనం కనుక్కుందాం. ఓకేనా? నౌ ఐ ఆమ్ నాట్ రైటింగ్ దిస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫార్మ్. This is the rational fraction. We have to convert into partial fractions. We have to find a and b of the given rational fraction. Okay, now x plus 2 by x plus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to, here this is the numerator, this is the denominator. Denominator have two linear factors, then the partial fraction comes a and b. 2 is there, a and b only comes. Okay, a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 3. Okay, now we can write this as x plus 2 by x plus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to, by rationalizing LCM, what is the LCM of these two factors? X plus 1 into x plus 3 denominator. Numerator, the cross multiplication, a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 1. Okay, this cancel. X plus 2 is equal to a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 1. Now we have to put x is equal to minus 3, because we can, this factor is equal to 0, this factor is equal to 0, x plus 3 is equal to 0, and b behind this, x plus 1 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to minus 3. Here x is equal to minus 1. Put what we have to put? First x is equal to minus 3 I will put in this equation. What is the equation? X plus 2 is equal to a x plus 3 plus b x plus 1. Okay, now I am putting minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is equal, in the place of x I am putting a minus 3 plus 3 plus b minus 3 plus 1. This is the 1. Then this is the cancel, 0. Minus 3 plus 3 what? 0. Then here minus 1 is equal to b into minus 2. 3 లో నుంచి 1 తీసేస్తే ఎంతమ్మా? 2. a2, which is having a big number, the symbol of big number comes. Okay, minus 2. Minus cancel is equal to 1 by 2. b is equal to how much amma? 1 by 2. b is equal to 1 by 2. This is the equation. We have to substitute a and we have to substitute b, and we have to integrate dx, integrate dx. We can solve the problem, that's all. Okay, now next put x is equal to minus 1 in which equation? X plus 2 is equal to a x plus 3 plus b x plus 1. Then put x is equal to minus 1. In this equation we have to put in the place of x minus 1. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్లో మనం x ప్లేస్లో ఏం పెట్టాలమ్మా? minus 1 పెట్టాలి. minus 1 plus 2 is equal to a minus 1 plus 3 plus b in the place of x minus 1 plus 1. This is 0. Then here 2 minus 1 is equal to a 3 minus 1 2. Which 2? In the here the big number have positive sign. Okay, 2, only 2. Now a is equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 2, and a is equal to 1 by 2. Here a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, we have to substitute here 1 by 2. Okay, in the place of a, in the place of b. If we substitute in the place of a and in the place of b 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, now we have to write. Okay, we can common 1 by 2 and we can common 1 by 2 here. Okay, now integral x plus 2 by x plus 1 into x plus 3 dx is equal to 1 by 2 outside of the integral 1 by x plus 1 dx plus again 1 by 2 outside of the integral 1 by x plus 3 dx. We know that the formula 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. Another formula we know that 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to, if in the x having behind a means one constant, here having any is there, 1 is there, okay, 1 is there, 1 by a log ax plus b. We have to compare this formula to this one. What we have to compare? This formula to this one. If having x place here 3x came, we have to follow this, okay. Here also we are following this only. Why? In the x place the coefficient of x is 1. If coefficient of x is 3, we will follow 1 by 3 here, okay. This is a, this is a, this b. Then what is this? Log x plus 1 plus of log x plus 3 plus c. This is the answer of this question. Are you understand? Are understood? Okay. I am rubbing the board. These questions are very easy, okay. These questions are very easy. Don't fear about this mathematics 2 in diploma. Engineering mathematics 2 in diploma is very easy. Integration and differentiation and differential equations, that's all. This is very easy subject in the diploma. Students feel difficult to solve these questions. Send my YouTube channel to whoever feeling difficult to solve these all questions, and they can learn from my YouTube channel easily. They can score 80 out of 80 in the final examination. Next problem, question number 2. Integral 1 by x minus 2 x minus 3 dx. This is another one. Same procedure, okay, same procedure. Are you sleeping? No, we are not sleeping, we are doing problem. Are you sleeping? Are you feeling sleeping or anything? No, we are doing problem. Be concentrate what I am saying in this video, okay. Now we are solving the problem. Solution given that what they given, integral 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. This is this question given, we are solving the problem. See, we are solving the problem. Now remove the integration. This is a rational fraction. We have to convert into the partial fractions. 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 is rational fraction. We have to convert into the partial fraction by considering the denominator of the rational fractions. This is linear factors. What is this? Linear factors. Then we having two linear factors here, a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Okay, a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Now we are 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to, we are now this we have to LCM. When what is the LCM of these two factors? X minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, then you have to cross multiply these two, a into cross multiplication opposite, what opposite, x minus 3 plus b into opposite x minus 2. Okay, now we having to these cancel. 1 is equal to a x minus 3 plus b x minus 2. Then put, what is x? What we have to put x? మనం ఏం పెట్టాలి x దగ్గర? We are having two factors, no? The two factors is equal to 0. Then we will get x minus 3, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then what we get? X is equal to 3, 0, x is equal to 2. Now we have to put x is equal to 3 in which equation? This equation. 1 is equal to a x minus 3 plus b x minus 2. Okay, in the x replace 3. Okay, we have to replace 3 in the place of x. Okay, 1 is equal to a 3 minus 3 plus b 3 minus 2. Okay, now see, this is 0, a is 0. 1 is equal to b 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. Then b is equal to 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Therefore b is equal to 1. What is b? B is equal to 1. Then put x is equal to 2. 1 is equal to a x minus 3 plus b x minus 2. Okay, now put x is equal to 2. a 2 minus 3 plus b 2 minus 2. Now b is 0. a 1 is equal to a 2 minus 3 means minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Then a is equal to 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore a is equal to minus 1. Therefore a is equal to minus 1. Therefore a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 1. Now put in this equation. Wait, I will write 1 by x minus 2. Okay, x minus 3 integral dx is equal to integral a by x minus 2 dx plus integral b by x minus 3 dx. Therefore in the place of a minus 1, minus should be outside of the integral. by 1 by x minus 2 dx plus in the place of b 1 by x minus 3 dx. Therefore 1 by log x minus 2. Which formula I consider here? I consider we can consider 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. This is the formula, simple formula, and this we have to compare this formula ax plus b dx 1 by a log ax plus b plus c. This formula we have to compare. We have to compare this formula. Okay. I am saying very easily, and each and every problem understanding way for your knowledge. Okay. Plus log x minus 3 plus c. This is the answer of this question. Over. This is the answer of this question. Now in this video I covered only 2 questions, and next video I cover 3rd question and 4th question. Thank you so much for watching my videos and sharing my YouTube channel to your friends, relatives and family members. Keep on see my video and share my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.